Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect the Square Payment Gateway with paymentform.io. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Payment Gateway Settings. From the left sidebar, click on the Payment Gateway option. Here, you will find all the payment gateways currently supported by paymentform.io. Step 2. Select Square. From the list of available payment gateways, find Square. Then, click the Connect Now button. Step 3. Enter connection details. A pop-up window will appear. First, enter a name for this connection. Next, choose a transaction mode. Sandbox. Use this mode to test payments without processing real transactions. Live. Use this mode to accept real payments from customers. Next, enter your Square application ID, access token, and location ID to connect your Square account with paymentform.io. Step 4. Get your Square API credentials. To get your Square application ID, access token, and location ID, please visit your Square dashboard. Now sign in to your Square Developer dashboard. To connect your store, you will need to create a new application in the Square Developer dashboard. On this page, click the plus icon. Then, give your application a clear name and complete the application creation process. Once the application is created, open it from the Square Developer dashboard. At the top of the page, make sure Sandbox mode is selected. This is important because we're setting up test credentials first, not live payments. From the left sidebar, click Credentials. Here you will find the Sandbox application ID and Sandbox access token. Now copy the Sandbox application ID and paste it into the application ID field in paymentform.io. Then copy the Sandbox access token and paste it into the access token field. Next, we will need the location ID. So go to the location section and copy the location ID, then return to paymentform.io and paste it into the location ID field. Step 5. Connect Square. After entering all the required information, click the Connect button. Your Square account is now successfully connected to paymentform.io and ready to accept payments through your payment forms. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.